What's good, Does Nation? What's good, YouTube family? It's like I fed. Peace, love, and light, man. In this video, I got a quick recipe for you guys that I wanted to show you. This recipe is a variation of one of the recipes on my recipe ebook, High Vibe and Soul Food. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I make my honey barbecue chickpeas. All right. So these are the basic ingredients right here that I'm looking at. These are the basic ingredients that I'm looking at. I already have pretty much everything prepared, so it's gonna be very quick. I have my boiled chickpeas. I have my red cabbage, or I call it purple cabbage because it's not really red, but anyway. I got my green bell peppers. I got my tricolor bell peppers, freshly minced ginger, red onion, and just white onion, okay? And over here, I've got my homemade barbecue sauce, but that's for a whole nother video, man. So I'm gonna show you this really quick recipe. This is delicious. This is probably one of my staples that I make all the time. And this is packed full of nutrients, packed full of protein, all the above, man. So let's get it started, man. You know what I'm saying? Add my grapeseed oil to my wok. Let's get it started. So I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to make a nutritious and protein dense plant-based meal, because for some reason there are a lot of people that want to get into a plant-based lifestyle or just incorporate more plant-based meals into their lifestyle, but they don't know how to start. They don't know where to go. If you are new to my channel, make sure to check out my food/recipe playlist on my channel, where I have dozens upon dozens of plant-based recipes. Okay, so even if you aren't plant-based or vegan, that's perfectly fine, but you can incorporate some of these meals to just help you promote your health. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, of course, is add all of my vegetables, my sweet peppers, garlic, onion. Now this recipe is gonna take me about an hour, but that's only because I had to cook the chickpeas from scratch. But you could easily just get you some pre-cooked chickpeas, and it's gonna speed this whole process up. The whole meal should probably only take you probably 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna stir this around a little bit and allow the veggies to saute. Let them get brown a little bit. And then I'm gonna add my chickpeas. So what I like to do, what I like to do with the chickpeas is I like to cook it on slightly above a medium heat, and I allow the chickpeas to kind of not burn, but to get very well cooked and almost charred at the bottom, and then I just stir fry it. That way it kind of makes them a little crispy. So next I'm gonna add my green bell peppers. And I'm just gonna stir fry it. So as I'm stir frying it, I'm gonna add all my spices. The first thing I'm gonna add is my sea salt. And as I told you already, I'm Haitian, so I don't measure. I just kind of, I do what I do. Next thing I'm gonna add is my garlic powder. If you are following the Dr. Sebi diet, then you don't have to add garlic. Next I'm gonna add my parsley flakes. And that's about it, really. Stir fry it. Now, don't forget, I am gonna add my homemade honey. I'm sorry, not my honey, my barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add my homemade barbecue sauce. I would tell you guys the ingredients, but that's a little secret for later, you know what I'm saying? That's my homemade honey barbecue sauce with fresh local honey and other herbs, and that joint good. And I'm gonna let this cook down for a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna add the red cabbage. And again, I'm just gonna stir fry. All right, family, so it's been a couple of minutes. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my honey barbecue sauce into the mixture. So I'm just gonna add, actually I don't even know, man. I don't be measuring, man. I really don't. So I'm gonna add probably 6 spoons. If you measure stuff, man, I don't know what to tell you, but I don't. Alright, so we gonna toss this around a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Turn off the fire at this point. And I'm gonna allow that barbecue sauce just to get candied. Boom, family, so this is the end result right here. This is my honey barbecue chickpea recipe. Over here, I've already got my quinoa and wild rice already made, and I'm about to have a side of asparagus with this. So this is about to be really good. This is the end result. I wanted to make a quick video for you guys, just to kind of show you how I eat on certain days. I eat something pretty much different every single day, but this is just one example of one of my go-to meals that I always have. So I got my honey barbecue chickpeas, I got some roasted asparagus and some quinoa and wild rice. I'm not sure how much protein and all that good stuff this meal has, but I can say that this is one of the meals that I use to build strong and lean muscle. So with that being said, man, I'm about to go eat. I'll see you guys in the next video. Sending you tons of love, good vibrations, prosperity, and ultimately health and ascension. As always, man, stay blessed.